They call it the Beast of Hurghada, a resort as big as an entire city. But is Desert Rose still the king of the throne, or is it outdated? Let's find out. Hello everyone, and welcome back to beautiful Egypt. Today, we are exploring the famous Desert Rose Resort. Now, there's a debate about this place. Some people absolutely love it and call it the best value for money. Others used to complain about the old rooms. But let me tell you, the game has completely changed. Major renovations have turned things around, and if you don't know the hidden gems here, you're missing out on half the fun. The reception and arrival. First, let's talk about the reception. The moment you step in, the lobby will blow you away. It's massive, luxurious, and beautifully classic. Check-in is usually super fast if it's not peak hours, and the staff is incredibly helpful. Once you grab your keys, your journey begins in a resort spreading over a whopping 300,000 square meters. The rooms are spacious, clean, and diverse. Yes, some rooms had an older design, but here is the great news. The hotel started a massive renovation plan. Now, the newly renovated rooms are fully modern and compete with top luxury resorts. Pro tip, when booking, always ask for the renovated rooms to get that true 5-star experience. Every room comes with a minibar, a kettle, drinks, and toiletries. But the best part? The view. Waking up to a balcony view of the pools, the sea, or even the lush gardens is just breathtaking. The pools. Desert Rose is famous for its 3 massive swimming pools. First, an Olympic-sized pool for the serious swimmers. Second, an entertainment pool with a lively pool bar, music, dancing, and animation. And third, a quiet pool, just to relax and chill. The water is crystal clear, and because the resort is so huge, you'll never feel overcrowded. The Aqua Park. Here features 6 huge water slides for adults, plus a super fun and safe zone for kids. The slides are in excellent condition, and lifeguards are everywhere, so you can relax while your kids have a blast. It's compact, simple, but guarantees pure fun. Note, it operates from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. The beach and lagoon is definitely its lagoon. It's not your traditional open sea. Instead, it's a natural lagoon formed by a spectacular tongue extending into the water. This means 0 waves, total safety for kids, a gorgeous sandy beach, and absolute privacy thanks to the wicker windbreakers around the sunbeds. Want the open sea and coral reefs? Just walk to the very end of the lagoon, and you'll find a stunning spot for snorkeling and diving. It's massive, so there's plenty of room for everyone. The restaurants and food, because it's a whole different story. The main restaurant is a massive buffet, serving breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even a late-night dinner. The breakfast buffet is loaded with everything. Traditional Egyptian fava beans, live egg stations, cheeses, and endless pastries. Woke up late? No worries. The beach restaurant serves late breakfast, drinks and snacks like kofta, sausages, pizza, and salads from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. For lunch and dinner, enjoy grilled chicken, meats, burgers, fish, seafood, and lots of fruits and desserts. And for moms, Desert Rose created a literal kingdom for the little ones. The kids' restaurant has a custom-made, low-level buffet, so children can pick their own food. Complete with colorful chairs and cartoon screens, it's a genius touch that keeps the kids happy while parents enjoy their meals in peace. They serve pasta, chicken, fries, and pancakes. The golden advice: don't forget to book the A La Carte restaurants. They have Italian, Lebanese, and a beachside seafood restaurant. The vibe is quiet, and the food is premium. Plus, you'll find bars everywhere serving hot and cold drinks, ice cream, and popcorn. Let's look at the facts. Location: perfectly located on El Memsha, Villages Road. It's close to Senzo Mall, 15 minutes from the tourist promenade, and just 20 minutes from Hurghada Airport. Concept: soft all-inclusive. Family-friendly: excellent kids policy. 2 kids under 12 stay free. Daily night shows, a great animation team, a gym, a spa, and a kids' play area. The vibe? High percentage of international tourists, and the resort looks like a green paradise full of palm trees. The cons? Because the resort is so massive, walking from your room to the restaurant or beach can be a bit tiring, especially for the elderly. But don't worry, golf carts are always available to pick you up. Outro. In conclusion, Desert Rose is the perfect choice for a family looking for a fantastic holiday with a medium to high budget, offering incredible value for money. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Tell me in the comments if you've ever been to this resort and what your favorite part was. See you in the next video, straight from beautiful Egypt. Peace be upon you all. Salam alaikum.